Good morning or good evening to you all. Yes, on the video front, I have said already goodbye to you all. But I just felt something is missing that I have not finished it. There's something still to be said or something is missing in the course, the final touches. It's then I decided that I have to give you a message, something small. So it's called the final tips before I sign off and a bit of advice before I say goodbye. Before I leave you all and say goodbye, I need to give you all a piece of advice or suggestion. You may take it or leave it as you like. The subject is how to live well, healthily, happily and take 100% out of your lives. None of us have pondered over this or bothered about it so far. Live life with conviction. That is, believe 100% in what you are doing is right. Many of us don't have a goal, idea, ideals of what one needs in his life itself. First, you need to wish for something or keep a goal. Most of us just see the sunrise, go to the office, come back, relax and go to sleep. And that's it. The weekend comes and then go out to eat or for a holiday trip perhaps once a year. And it goes on. Ultimately, his life ends like this. Nothing much he could achieve. He just bring up his children, led a normal life. Please keep a goal and time frame to achieve something. Then relish and dream of it. For example, kindly take this course seriously and bring about a change to your life by having wishes and targets. It's not desire. Please don't mix both together. This is something to achieve certain good things in life. Then you will surprisingly achieve all of it. Have full faith in a God of your choice. If a guru, fine, that is the same as God or even better. If in trouble and unable to decide and in a turmoil, just wish to that guru or God in order to achieve it. But prayer in this manner, which I have given in the course, is very imperative. Thanking and loving God as much as possible. Of course, keeping your requirements behind the curtain. It is this which has gone out of human's life, and thus all this tsunami of diseases, calamities and tragedies in one's life. Love nature and its creations dearly. Love animals. Go out into the nature and see the wonders. Look up into the sky and see God there. That has gone out of man's life. In fact, he has become a machine and he has no faith in anything. Not even in his parents, his spouse, his friends, relatives, bosses, or for that matter, not even in himself anymore. Man has learnt a lot by way of science and subjects, so he is highly qualified. Sitting behind the table, all serious with a tie and a... He is skeptical about everything. He poo-poos everything as fraud and just nonsense. Only the puffed up evil ego is left in him. He thinks he knows everything and there's nothing more to learn in this life. This is the danger to this world. We need to change ourselves, then the world will change for the better. As I said before, decide to be cheerful, happy, contented and smiling at all times. Then life and nature, or call it God, will change for the better for you. This all is not a theory but absolutely practical and can be practiced by you without much efforts. Be humble and learn from the smallest of the smallest. Even a janitor in your office, treat him with respect, try to smile at him and learn something from him. I will end this with an incident which happened a few days back. I had finished all work on this course and was happy. I spent many hours loading it into my YouTube channel and things like that. But suddenly I realized I was suffering from high fever and a headache. Oh God, I told myself, this never happened to me before, as truly I had never seen a doctor for a long time. This fever refused to go in spite of all these Dolo 650 tablets, other tablets and other body ache medicines. It went on and on for 3 days without a respite. And everyone advised me, go to the doctor, get it cured. I refused, as I would have to sit with people already sick there and God knows what sickness they have. And what to say at a time when this treacherous virus called COVID-19 or coronavirus in the air around the world. Then it struck me to try out my own medicine of subconscious mind and all that which I have written. Yes, what about that? What was the use of it all to the world if there was no truth in it? Was God testing me? Okay, I had to try it out, or else it all would be a waste of time and unworthy course itself if I couldn't cure myself of a small ailment like a fever. So I started concentrating my mind and started saying, there is no sickness, there is no sickness. All of it would be gone by next day morning. I would feel perfect and take a head bath tomorrow. Thank you, oh God, for curing it and showing me the way ahead. Thank you very much. Believe it or not, I speak the truth 100% here. Believe it. The fever subsided and by evening I was feeling good. Even though very weak indeed, of course. But I persisted telling myself, no sickness. I argued with God saying, what is the use of all this message you have given me by way of this course, etc. If it was all a lie and just imagination and hallucinations of myself, it would ruin me and disprove all my theory of subconscious, Atman and God. The next day, believe me, there was not a trace of fever or any headache or anything. I had my head bath and started living normally. Everything was perfect. Everyone asked me, how is it suddenly okay today? I said I decided that was enough the sickness. I had no time for it. I just decided to stop it. Everyone just looked with a question mark on my face. Was this man crazy or is he going crazy? I was so overjoyed and thrilled it worked, and it is all a truth. We are actually supernatural. We can achieve anything and everything in this lifetime itself. We are only using 20% of capacity of our brain. Yes, it was proved to be true. I'm sure that this persistent fever was God-made one and wanted to convince me and to beta test it to prove that. All what I had written is true after all. Wow, that's great. Thank you for the patience shown so far, and try out everything in this course as given in the course, everything for your health, wealth, happiness and success. All the best, folks. God bless you all. Keep laughing, keep cheerful, keep smiling, be happy. Okay, by the way, back to the course. The Delta Waves URLs, I will give it below this video itself, as I have not found a way to post a slide or a doc into YouTube. Later on, we'll have it on the website as I build the site. That's another huge job. Now for the beta testing, I'm giving it below as URLs, as it can be given below a YouTube video. Okay, thank you very much, folks, for having so much patience and listening to me all this talk. Hari Om. Om.